Hello, guys. Good day, and welcome to another weekly update episode 80. So, thank you guys for being here. We have tried a lot for us to get to episode 80 by this time. So, probably this is what we'll be making this week. We've already started the work so a few days ago, and I just decided to start the weekly update now, and I will show you guys. So, probably we might start with the time lapse. This is what we did a few days ago. So we have some of the strap we are done with here and some of the accessories that are here. So this is the one I started this morning. The students and the workers are not here yet. So once they come, we will proceed with everything. But this is one I'm doing myself now. I've started the side, the front line, then these are the handle, these are the cover. This is what I'm trying to do. And even this one, I have put the back fit this morning. So, and later on it has a pocket here. We're fixing the pocket. So probably, by the way, if I start, I might even show you guys the time lapse of fixing the back pocket and doing the rest of the activities. I hope you guys will stay tuned to watch this video to the end. If you do watch it to the end, give this video a giant thumbs up. For those of you, the 70 something percent who are watching this video but have not subscribed, please use this time to subscribe. It costs you nothing to subscribe, because you even gain from us by watching our video and practicing it on your own time. So use this time to subscribe. If all of you subscribe, it will be easier for me to make more video and show you everything in details and post on this channel. But since you guys are not subscribed, that's the reason why not everything have been shown on the channel. So if you want that, you should try your best to subscribe. So guys, enough talking, let me proceed with the work, and I will see you at the other side as we continue with the activities. You can cover the lining. Finish. Good. So this is the last one I made. It's actually looking very nice. This is the one we made before. This one we make this. Then the second one. This is make color and brown. This is mixture of green and lemon green, right? And this flower. As if I should just eat this. I know people will be dragging for it now, these bags. Then we have this one, the one we have before. Nice bags. We're still working, doing some work. We have this three. Is it 2 or 3? 3 bags we need to make with these 3 different material. This nude, the lemon green, and this purple. Yeah. I'll continue working on this side. As you can see, it's the bag we make previous week. One of our Ogatu, she's the one making it. We are just smiling, we are not going to advise them or talk to them. So we are in the continuation of the weekly updates. These are the bag we stopped. Okay, is this stop? We were making a few days ago, and today we've continued to finish them. As you can see, this one is lemon green, and there's one purple. The purple is inside. Probably we might put a time lapse to see how she is going to assemble this. So you guys stay tuned to watch. No high today. Feeling tired. The stress is much. Hello guys, good morning and welcome to the continuation of the weekly update. So the bag we're making the other day, as you can see, this is it. We finish it. There's no much time for us to continue the filming, and we are also done with the strap as well. All the strap are all packaged inside. You can see it the way they are. So we are making 3 of these, and you just saw 2 now. So this is 1, this is 2. These 2 we make them during the week as well. We didn't get to even show. And among the ones we make, among those 3, this is the last one we make. So and that is all for you guys. I think I might end this video here to continue the rest of the activities, but right now I'm working on some stuff here, but probably you get to see this in next week update because we have tons of things to do, and as finger cross we'll get to it. So for those of you who have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think on this bag we are making, and if you want any of it, all these are for sale. We can produce your bag, we can send to you no matter where you are in the world. Even if you're outside country, if you are in Nigeria, we can send to you. So, and if you want to learn how to make this, if you are close to our workshop, you can learn, and if it's online, we do our online training. And probably I promise you guys that by next year the online training will be made easy, that you can just come and pick your design and just buy. We would have make all the training available by then. So guys, this is where I will be ending this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.